DJI just made a move that honestly feels illegal. Across their entire drone lineup, prices have dropped to levels that should not be possible for the hardware you're getting. And if you've been putting off buying a drone for any reason, that reason just got a whole lot harder to defend. Thanks to Amazon's big spring sale, the DJI Neo now starts at just $149. The Mini 4K is down to $209. The Mini 3 sits at $299. The Flip begins at $309, and even the immersive Avata 2 now starts at $526. In this video, we're going to break down every single model in this sale, what you're actually getting for the price, and which one makes the most sense depending on who you are. Stick around, because the last drone on this list comes with a plot twist that changes the whole conversation. Let's start with the one that genuinely sounds like a mistake, a $149 DJI drone. On paper, that screams compromise. In real life, different story. The Neo is a fully stabilized 4K camera drone that fits in your palm and now lands in your impulse buy range. You still get smooth 4K video, AI-powered subject tracking, automated cinematic shots, and safety features like return to home. It's also light enough that recreational users can skip FAA registration entirely, which quietly removes one of the biggest mental barriers for first-time buyers. Here's where it gets really interesting though. You don't even need a controller. Launch it from your hand, control it from your phone, or use gestures and voice commands. That simplicity transforms the whole experience. And if you want more flight time, the 3-battery controller-free combo at $219 is easily the sweet spot. Triple the airtime, zero added complexity. The Fly More combo at $259 adds a dedicated controller, and the Motion Fly More at $399 brings full FPV goggles into the mix. Trust me on this one, the Neo at $149 is the kind of deal people look back on and say they wish they jumped on sooner. You know what's funny? The Mini 4K has always been the drone I recommend to people who don't want to overthink it. Reliable, capable, easy to fly. It's the sensible choice. At $299, that recommendation made a lot of sense. At $209, it becomes almost impossible to argue against. Stabilized 4K video, confident GPS positioning, and no overwhelming complexity. What really seals the deal here are the bundles. The $269 2-battery combo completely changes the shooting experience. No more watching the battery bar like a hawk mid-shot. In the $309 Fly More combo, normally sitting around $450, throws in 3 batteries and a charging hub. For most people buying their first real drone, that's the bundle to go for. You'll land, swap, and keep shooting instead of packing up and going home.
The Mini 3 used to sit comfortably in the spend a little more to get something good category. At $299, it's drifted into something far more interesting, casual consideration territory, and that's a big shift. This is a drone that delivers genuinely impressive results: 4K HDR video, stabilization that works quietly in the background, and a vertical shooting mode that makes your footage feel native to Instagram and TikTok rather than cropped and awkward. These aren't minor details. They're the difference between footage you share and footage you forget about. But what really changes at this price is the psychology of owning it. You stop asking whether it's worth it and start imagining where you'd actually use it. A weekend road trip, a sunset walk, a quick clip that turns into something you actually want to post. The friction just disappears. Even the upgraded version with DJI's screen-equipped controller feels more accessible than it should at this point. Here's something most people won't admit out loud. A lot of drone purchases never happen, and not because of price, but because of fear. Too many controls, too many things that could go wrong, that nagging feeling you'll crash it within the first 5 minutes. The DJI Flip seems built specifically to solve that, and now at $309, it's doing it at a price point that's hard to scroll past. Like the Neo, you can fly it straight from your phone with no traditional controller required, but unlike most beginner-friendly drones, it doesn't feel like it's holding back. The footage is sharp, the automated modes produce clips that look genuinely intentional, and the fully enclosed propellers make the whole thing feel safer and more forgiving right from the start. Add obstacle sensing and automatic braking, and the anxiety around flying basically evaporates. And then it sneaks in features you'd normally pay more for: advanced color profiles, cinematic effects like dolly zoom. The Flip sits in a strange but compelling position right now, designed for hesitant buyers, priced for impulsive ones. It's the FPV steal of 2026. Now let's talk about the most interesting model in this entire sale. DJI has cut Avata 2 pricing by as much as $340, and while your first instinct might be to wait for the next version, the reality for US buyers right now is a bit more complicated. New DJI launches don't always arrive smoothly or on a predictable timeline anymore, so the real question becomes: wait for something uncertain or grab something proven at a steep discount? The Avata 2 is very much proven. It delivers the full immersive FPV experience, the kind where you're not just flying a drone, you're actually feeling the motion, without demanding the steep learning curve of traditional FPV setups. It's intuitive, durable, and cinematic in a way that very few drones at any price can match. The Fly Smart combo is now $526, down from $619. The Fly More combo with Goggles 3 dropped from $999 to $719, and the 3-battery Goggles 3 bundle sits at $859, down from $1,199. That's serious money saved on a serious drone. So here we are. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to finally go all in, there is a drone in this sale that fits exactly where you are. Check the links in the description before the sale ends. If this video helped you figure out which one to go for, drop a like, leave a comment telling me which drone caught your eye, and subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. See you in the next one.